bananas, crickets, crickets, chocolate chips,
Great chia. Okay, do you want to tell them what we're making?
We're making
Oatmeal.
oatmeal.
So first we have to preheat the oven at 350, which we already did. And then we spray our baking dish.
Look up. Look, I see some bubbles.
Yeah, and then we need 2 bananas and
There, I don't want. And we need to put them in the big mess with the fork. Say that 5 times slow. Mashed bananas, mashed bananas, mashed bananas, mashed bananas, mashed bananas, mashed bananas.
What's next, Zoe?
Some quick oats. Oh yeah.
Seed.
Okay, mix with you.
And then you mix it.
Right there.
Be gentle. And then you add the 2 cups of
Milk. 1.
Okay, you mix it. And then we put our yogurt. 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. And 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And then you mix it, Zoe.
Hey, it's stuck. Oh, now it's out.
Be careful when you mix it, because you don't want it to be everywhere. Right? Okay.
Oh, it's so close.
You use this one?
Does it look good, Zoe? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay, baby, and then we put our toppings.
We need toppings.
We put our strawberry. You can put any fruits you want. Maybe one at a time. There. You can put blueberry.
Or strawberries.
Yeah, we're using strawberry. Oopsie. I think that's two. And then we're gonna put a chopped walnuts. And then we're putting a chocolate chip. Maybe just spread it like
Don't eat those.
like this. Use your hand. Oh. You have to spread it everywhere, not just in one plate, Zoe. There you go. And then we bake it at 350 for 25 minutes until it absorbs the liquid.
Don't have a watch. Oh
Can you
no.
set Google timer? Can you set the Google timer?
Go tell Google to set the timer.
How long's the timer again?
Like 20 to 25.
Okay, Google. Set timer for 20 minutes.
Move back, please. Can you move back, please?
Zeki, look.
Oh, look.
Look, Zeki. Mm.
Do you like it?
Oh, chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, chocolate.
What else is on there?
Oh, chocolate.
And?
Strawberry.
Oh, very good. Does it look yummy?
Look yummy.
Chocolate strawberry.
Yeah. And
Say mainit pa.
Wait, it's pa.
Palamigin muna
I'm making rumor.
natin. Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
No,
Gusto mo ng oatmeal? Ah. Yeah.
Ew.
Ew.
So sticky.
So stinky. What is stinky?
So sticky sprat.
sticky splat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, so good.
It's so good. Because that's yogurt.
Isn't that
It's
easy?
so good.
You like it? You like it? Do you like it?
Oh, look.
Mmm.
Oh, so good.
It's so good.
I don't want yogurt. Hot.
No, no, Zeki. There's chocolate in here, Zeki, right there. Look at all the chocolate. Zoe, don't. You said it was too hot, Zoe.
That's it.
Say, Bibi, can you say goodbye to them?
Yogurt.
Say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Zaki, say bye-bye.
Ingat po.
Ingat po.
God bless.
God bless.
See you next time.
Careful.
Good. Ingat po.
Bye-bye.
No, more yogurt?
Yes.
I'll say goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you next time. So long. Mwah.